Okay, I am being productive. I'm editing the vlog, but the delivery people just called me. So I ordered something from Amazon and I ordered something from Fashion Nova. When I left Qatar last year, I literally purged my closet. Like, I got rid of shoes, I got rid of clothes, just like wanting to step into a new era of how I dress, how I carry myself, all that. So I'm like, okay, I don't have any like cute, like decent going out stuff. So I ordered some dresses from Fashion Nova, and then I ordered some running shorts from Amazon and some heels. I'm a big foot girl, I wear size 12. So especially over here, it's tricky to find a size 12 in the store. So I don't know what's coming now. I don't know if it's the Fashion Nova thing or I don't know if it's the Amazon thing, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna see because they just called. Apparently I forget that to put my building number sometimes. So we finna see what is hitting though, but I'm excited. That was fast. I never really order things, even in America when I lived, I never really ordered things online a lot. But here I'm like, okay, let's see how long it takes to order stuff. So I did this last week, something like that. Tuesday or Wednesday? No, that can't be right. Something like that. Anyways, we're gonna see how fast it is, y'all. Okay, it was the Fashion Nova. And one pair of my shoes. I ordered 2 pairs and a pair of shorts. Oh my god, it's taking everything in me not to rip this open and start. I have no, like, when I tell you I got rid of all of my like nicer going out, like literally everything. So I needed to start fresh with like some cute little, you know, little dinner date with the girls, little brunch vibes. So I'm so excited. And these shoes, I really hope they fit. I really hope they fit. That came quicker than quick. This shoe, eh? I'm shocked. Some shorts. Okay, these are the black ones. Okay.
Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. something else. I want something else. I want something else. I want something else.
We're back from work. I really want a burger, so I need to season that salmon, but that will be cooked. But I want a burger real bad. So I went down to the little stout and I got some stuff for a burger. So tonight's agenda: burger, take my hair down. I feel like I'm so far away. Take my hair down and put up my Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. What are the rest of the words to that song? Does anybody know? So yeah, that's what we finna do. And I need to move with the speed of light. And then set up and Preston on today's vlog, day 4. And yeah, that's what we finna get into. So, welcome to the Vlogmas. Y'all, that burger was so good. I forgot to say, I smashed. I be eating, okay? We eat over here. And then I got 2 left. I think I'm gonna freeze them. How big these damn patties are. I think I'm gonna freeze them and then freeze the buns. And then whenever I'm feeling like a little burger, just whoop it out. And then I made some salmon. I gotta make my rice. I saw me cooking that chicken this morning. I had 2 more pieces, so that's finished. And then I made some salmon. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. Like, look at that beautiful, like a little Cajun honey combo. I love a sweet and salty combo. Okay, so clearly the kitchen is a disaster because we need to be cooking and doing the things. So I need to clean up and finish editing and take my hair down. Y'all, get my hair done tomorrow. I'm so excited. She's gonna be cute. Yeah, when I say I passed out. What Christmas tree? What Christmas tree? No Christmas tree. Hair still ain't taken down. I'm just sleepy. I'm just a sleepy girl. So I'm up. It's 4:50. The ghetto. I take my hair down. I'm literally getting my hair done today after school. So the fact that I didn't do it over the break is just why. I was like, no big deal. I'll just do it later. So we're up playing games with ourselves. I'm gonna take it down now. Anyways, good luck to me. Good luck to me.